What if I told you that some of the most frustrating car problems, such as rough idling, random stalling, poor acceleration, oil leaks, and even terrible fuel economy, can often be fixed by replacing a part that costs less than a tank of gas? It sounds unbelievable, but it happens every day. Just last week, a shop in California spent 8 labor hours tearing down a car that kept stalling at red lights. They billed the customer $1,140 for a new fuel pump, 2 ignition coils, and a rebuilt throttle body. The car was towed right back to the shop 2 days later with the exact same issue. The real culprit? A tiny $10 component hidden under the hood that had never been tested. The truth is, this inexpensive part commonly fails after 100,000 miles, yet they are often overlooked during diagnosis. In this video, we are uncovering 8 inexpensive parts that you should always inspect before spending hundreds or even thousands of dollars on unnecessary repairs. Let's dive in. Number 8. PCV valve. The PCV valve is one of the smallest and least expensive parts under your hood that usually cost you between $10 and $25, yet it plays a huge role in keeping your engine healthy. Its job is to remove harmful crankcase gases and recycle them back into the engine to be burned during combustion. Over time, sludge, oil deposits, and carbon buildup can cause the valve to stick open or closed. When that happens, you may notice rough idling, random stalling, excessive oil consumption, oil leaks, poor fuel economy, or even a check engine light. A stuck PCV valve also increases crankcase pressure, which can force oil past seals and gaskets. Those small leaks can eventually damage the valve cover gasket, front crankshaft seal, rear main seal, or turbocharger seals on turbocharged engines. Repairs for these oil leaks can easily range from $500 to over $2,000, while replacing the PCV valve itself takes only a few minutes. Most manufacturers recommend inspecting your PCV valve every 30,000 to 50,000 miles. That make it one of the smartest preventative maintenance items you can replace. Number 7. Air intake hose and vacuum lines. Your engine relies on the mass airflow sensor to measure the precise mass of incoming air, so the ECU can calculate the perfect 14.7 to 1 air-fuel ratio. Over time, constant thermal cycling under the hood bakes the rubber intake hose and vacuum lines that make them brittle and cause microcracks deep inside the flexible accordion bellows. When air leaks in downstream of the sensor, it introduces unmetered air directly into the intake manifold, which may lead to severe vacuum leaks that trigger lean codes like P0171 and cause your engine to stumble or stall at red lights. To prevent stalling, the ECU reacts by dumping up to 20% extra fuel into the cylinders to balance the extra air. That unburnt excess fuel travels straight down your exhaust system and ignites inside your catalytic converter that spikes internal temperatures beyond 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit and melts the delicate ceramic honeycomb core inside. Replacing a cracked $15 intake tube takes 10 minutes with a screwdriver, whereas ignoring it will melt your catalytic converter and force a $3,000 replacement just to pass state emissions testing. Number 6. Engine air filter. Your engine burns approximately 10,000 to 14,000 gallons of air for every gallon of gasoline, so clean airflow is absolutely essential for efficient combustion. The engine air filter prevents dust, sand, pollen, and debris from entering the cylinders, but after thousands of miles, it gradually becomes clogged. A restricted air filter forces the engine to work harder. That often causes rough idle, sluggish acceleration, hesitation, poor fuel economy, and, in severe cases, stalling under heavy acceleration. Modern engine computers can compensate for some airflow restrictions, but only to a certain point. If ignored for too long, then your engine may run excessively rich, that leads to carbon buildup inside the combustion chambers and places additional stress on spark plugs and oxygen sensors. Over time, this can even shorten the life of the catalytic converter, which is a repair that often costs up to $3,000. Considering that a quality air filter usually costs only $15 to $30 and takes less than 5 minutes to replace, it's one of the easiest and most cost-effective maintenance items you can perform. Number 5. Radiator cap. The radiator cap is one of the most overlooked components in your cooling system, yet it plays a critical role in preventing engine overheating. Most radiator caps cost only $10 to $30, but they are designed to hold the cooling system at a specific pressure. By maintaining pressure, the cap raises the coolant's boiling point by approximately 45 degrees Fahrenheit that allows your engine to operate safely under heavy loads and high temperatures. Over time, the internal spring of the cap weakens or the rubber seal hardens that causes coolant pressure to escape. The result can be coolant loss, overheating, poor heater performance, and mysterious coolant leaks that many drivers mistake for a bad water pump or blown head gasket. If ignored, repeated overheating can warp the cylinder head, damage the head gasket, crack the engine block, or even seize the engine. Head gasket repairs alone often cost between $1,500 and $3,500. During every coolant service, inspect your radiator cap for cracked rubber seals, corrosion, or weak spring tension. Number 4. Gas cap and EVAP rubber seals. National diagnostic data reveals that roughly 11% of all check engine lights triggered across North America stem from a single, surprisingly simple origin: a failing gas cap. Your vehicle's evaporative emission control system is designed to trap hazardous fuel vapors inside the gas tank, and periodically seals the entire system and pulls a slight vacuum to test for atmospheric vapor leaks. The thick rubber O-ring seal embedded inside your fuel filler cap is constantly exposed to harsh gasoline fumes and ambient ozone that cause it to dry rot, flatten, and crack after 5 to 7 years of service, prevents the gas tank from holding pressure, and immediately triggers EVAP error codes like P0440, P0442, or P0455 on your dashboard. Driver panic often leads to paying repair shops $150 for diagnostic smoke tests alongside unnecessary replacement of expensive purge solenoids and charcoal canisters. Before paying for complex diagnostic labor, always inspect the rubber gasket on your cap. If it feels hard, looks cracked, has flattened spots, or no longer seals tightly, replace it with a quality OEM or factory spec replacement. This will clear your check engine light and keep your vehicle passing state safety inspections. Number 3. Ignition coil boots. Most people assume that when their engine starts misfiring, it means that the ignition coil itself has failed. However, in many cases, the real culprit is the inexpensive rubber ignition coil boot that sits between the coil and the spark plug. These boots are constantly exposed to temperatures exceeding 200 degrees Fahrenheit that causes the rubber to harden, crack, and lose its insulating ability over time. Once that happens, then the electrical spark begins leaking to the cylinder head instead of reaching the spark plug. That results in rough idling, hesitation, reduced power, poor fuel economy, and intermittent misfires. Many drivers spend $80 to $300 per ignition coil, when a replacement boot often costs only $5 to $15. Ignoring the problem can overwork the ignition coil that eventually causes it to fail completely. Persistent misfires also allow raw fuel to enter the exhaust system that dramatically increases the risk of catalytic converter damage, which can cost $1,500 to $3,000 to replace. During inspection, look for carbon tracking, burn marks, oil contamination, or tiny cracks on the boot. Replacing worn boots early is one of the cheapest ways to prevent a much larger ignition system repair. Number 2. Mass airflow sensor. The mass airflow, or MAF sensor, is responsible for measuring exactly how much air enters your engine so the computer can deliver the correct amount of fuel. Even a slight error in its readings can upset the air-fuel mixture that can lead to rough idle, hesitation, poor throttle response, hard starting, reduced fuel economy, and random stalling. Over time, microscopic dust, oil vapors from reusable air filters, and airborne contaminants coat the delicate sensing wires that lead to inaccurate airflow readings. Before replacing your sensor, try cleaning it with a dedicated MAF sensor cleaner. Never touch the sensing wire or use brake cleaner or carburetor cleaner because they can permanently damage the sensor. Ignoring a faulty MAF forces the engine to run too rich or too lean. That increases carbon deposits on spark plugs, oxygen sensors, and eventually the catalytic converter. A $10 can of MAF cleaner could prevent repairs exceeding $2,000 that make this one of the highest value maintenance jobs you can perform. Number 1. Throttle body. Every time you press the accelerator, then the air flows through the throttle body before entering the engine. Over thousands of miles, carbon deposits gradually build up around the throttle plate that reset airflow, especially at idle. This buildup can cause rough idling, engine stalling when coming to a stop, delayed throttle response, poor acceleration, and fluctuating idle speed. Carbon buildup is especially common on vehicles that make frequent short trips. Many drivers mistakenly replace throttle position sensors or even fuel injectors without realizing that the throttle body simply needs cleaning. That puts additional stress on the electronic throttle motor. In severe cases, your throttle motor can fail that will need replacement of the entire electronic throttle body, which often costs $400 to over $1,000. Fortunately, a can of throttle body cleaner usually costs less than $15, and cleaning the throttle plate often restores smooth idling and crisp throttle response in less than 30 minutes.
That's all for this video. As you've seen, some of the biggest engine problems often begin with the smallest and cheapest parts. A $10 PCV valve, a $5 vacuum hose, or a $20 filter can trigger symptoms that look like a failed fuel pump. That's why experienced mechanics always inspect these inexpensive components before replacing costly parts. Thanks for watching. Drive safely, and we will see you in the next video.